and jumping and jabbing and all that. Well, I think you said son-in-law or something like that. Good afternoon to you. Happy Father's Day to you. 726 in Kansas.
Well, 726 out there in Kansas, I hear you. And you definitely got up in my radio and let me know that Mother Nature is working properly here right about now. I thought she was dipping and dabbing and flipping and flopping and bucking, weaving and shucking and jiving, doggone it. But it's good to hear she's all alive and well right now and got you all up in here. A 726 around Kansas, if you got a sloppy copy. Motormouth Mall right here, right now I got down. I don't think we got the best of Mother Nature. I think she's still dipping and dabbing. I think Mother Nature's still doing some of that dipping and dabbing and flipping and flopping and bucking and weaving, I tell you. Radio station Motormouth Mall, your West Coast undermodulated beast, as we ease back up out of the middle of the road right there, right now, in this wonderful, wonderful world of sound. Your radio station Motormouth Mall, right here, right now, I got down. Well, I hear Mother Nature out there. She is definitely out there, and she's doing something. She's definitely doing something. I don't know what exactly, but I know she's doing something. Motormouth Mall, working this thing right here, right now. I got down. I guess that was it. I guess that's all there was out there in the world of sound. Just a little hint, a tease. Motormouth Mall got down right here, right now. I heard somebody calling Motormouth Mall out there. Who was that to bring? I'm pretty sure I'm on the beam. Yeah. I know I heard somebody up in there. I just couldn't pull out the 28 there, Brig. I guess that's the way it goes every now and again. That is the way it goes every now and again. Motormouth Mall working this thing right here, right now. Is just a little bit more audio up in there. Let's see if I can't clean that thing up for somebody out there. Motormouth Mall, step in.
Sergeant 27, New Mexico, looking Big B. No, get back.
Okay, well, I know Mother Nature's out there. I can hear her dipping and dabbing, flipping and flopping, bucking, weaving and shucking and jiving. I know that for a fact. I can hear her. I just need her to roll up in here for just a second. Motormouth Mall right here. Right now I got down.
I know I don't get mad. I'm just like a time mad. I take a living and keep on cooking.
Hello, right back at you there. I heard you roll up in there. Mother Nature's starting to do something. But I tell you what, it's rough and tough. Downright crazy out here. Motormouth Mall working this 96-foot long monster, waving and stepping the brake.
Well, I gotta make those on my face. Make sure you from here to here. Sure doesn't do it. Sure doesn't do it. Man, it's been a long time.
Well, I think somebody out there might be talking to 766. I believe somebody out there might be talking to 766 right about this 10:36 to break.
Told you so, I know.
I'm sure 766 says hello. I think 766 says hello right there. Motormouth Mall dropping a hammer right here, right now. I got down. I'll read this one a little bit here. Let me read this mail and see what Mother Nature does. Motormouth Mall, your west coast. Undermodulated beast. Right here. Right now, while I'm looking east. We got this doggone thing looking east right about now, so we'll see if Mother Nature comes around to my way of thinking. Ain't no doubt about that. Motormouth Mall, stepping, I got down.
What makes you think Mother Nature not already your way there, brother?
Well, you know, she's been dipping and dabbing and flipping and flopping over here around my neck of the woods. I tell you, it's been kind of tough. But you kind of sort of made it less tough there, Break. You kind of sort of made it make it look like it's working there, Break.
Yeah, folks, well, that's my job. That's my job to make it look a whole lot easier. Well, this is what I do. You know, you do what I do, and it being your job, you're supposed to make it easier there, tenfold.
Yeah, tenfold. Well, I appreciate you doing your job, and then you're doing it real good at my receiver there, Break.
Well, I'm trying on this item. Steady working on this Scott digging project. This AM broadcast transmitter, so I'm trying to give you our things to do there, tenfold.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's definitely doing what it's supposed to be doing. You know, I was working on this thing a little bit ago, getting it all dialed in and trying to get the audio right. Trying to get some RF gremlins out of the way. I had some weird things going on here, man. I had RF getting in here, man. RF is like a rats. RF is like a bunch of rats, man. They get up in there all over the place. Yeah, annoying little things, you know. RF is much the same, they're big.
I know that's right on that side, no doubt about it. That RF will rule you to death. You still find out where it's coming from. You can't stop it from where it's going. It's kind of leaves you just all out there, you know.
Oh, yeah. I tried to put the reins on the RF one time. Man, I got kicked so hard. It doesn't like to be reined in. It doesn't like to be controlled. You know, it's got a mind of its own. Aren't there? RF has a doggone mind of its own, Debris.
Always have, always will, I guess. No doubt harness it yet. No doubt about it. I haven't been able to harness it, so I just keep on doing what I'm doing. For some reason, I'm trying to sound like I'm, I don't know, overmodulated or distorted or something. I guess just on my receiving side over there, you know.
It's like that on the air, too. A little bit here. It's got a little bit too much bottom end in it. Check this out real fast. Where is it?
No doubt about it. I haven't been able to harness it, so I just keep on doing what I'm doing. For some reason, I'm trying to sound like I'm, I don't know, over-modulated or distorted or something. I guess just on my receiving side over there, too low.
Yeah, it's like that on the air, too. Stop. Jeez. Yeah, get my engineer over here to start figuring out how to operate this doggone console. Yeah, just a little bit too much bottom end.
Yeah, folks, and I heard that'll do, no doubt about it. I think I got this, I should have cleaned it up a whole lot here. I don't know, let me see something, that. Yeah, that should have polished it up around the edges a little bit or something there, Tinko.
Yep, that helped a little bit. Here, check this out real fast.
Yeah, that should have polished it up around the edges a little bit or something there, Tinko.
There you go. A little bit better. Yeah, I can't quite tell if it's still too much audio or if it's just too much bass. In general, I'm not sure which. It could be just a little bit too much bottom end.
Now, that right there, Lord, you my mercy. Now, that right there, I should have put it dead online, straight on time. Hey, load him out now, Central Coast. I'm on the ballpark game. I'm getting down.
10-4, let me try that back for you. See what this does.
Oh, that right there, Lord, you my mercy. Now, that right there, I should have put it dead online, straight on time. Hey, load him out now, Central Coast. I'm on the ballpark game. I'm getting down.
I'm thinking still too much right at about 200 hertz. If you got an equalizer in line, maybe pull 200 hertz down a little bit to bring.
No, I can't hit the bottom because that's unless I change my base for a little bit of cheat side, no doubt about it. That's a little bit of me on that side with that. But anyway, let me see, I'll make some changes. I had to look at it at this hole.
Yeah, 10-4. Yeah, there's an amplifier is going into square wave and getting kind of overdriven. Check it out.
Hit the bottom because that's unless I change my base for a little bit of cheat side, no doubt about it.
Yeah, way too much bass. Way too much bottom end. But that's it's one of those things you gotta experiment with, you know. It's tricky. It can be really tricky. But yeah, it's heavy on the bottom end. So I don't know on mine if I go over here to this one here and raise this up a little bit like this right here, and then raise the frequency up a little bit more. Right there, and I can show you. That's the center, pretty much like that right there, 200 hertz. Maybe that's a bit too high. But somewhere right around here is what it's doing there. It's getting kind of muddled up. And if you got rid of that right there, you can get rid of that bass. Turn the bass down, turn the bass down, turn the bass down, turn the bass down. And then the thing squares away on you real good. But, yeah, too much bass.
Okay. Turn the bass down, turn the bass down, turn the bass down, turn the bass down, turn it down. Let me see. Turn it down a hair there more. There you go. Woo! All the way down. That's about as best as it can go there, 10-fold.
That's better. Now, do you have a little bit of upper mids? Around 2 or 3 kilohertz? Maybe even 4? You can roll up in there. Check this out. Let me play this back for you, bro. Where's the, here it is. Right now.
Down, turn the bass down, turn the bass down, turn the bass down, turn it down. Let me see. Turn it down a hair there more. There you go. Woo! All the way down. That's about as best as it can go there, 10-fold.
Now it needs a little bit more articulation. A little bit of upper mids. around 2 or 3 kilohertz, maybe even 4. Yeah, it needs checked up. Stop already. It needs a little bit more upper top end.
Okay. All right, I'll experiment with that. I have there more on that side, no doubt about it. I probably need to come in here now. Let me check and see. Probably need to retune this gun big thing, for sure. Okay, then, I'm going to ease back. But I do thank you. Man, listen, Badlands, good little horn is getting down.
10-4. Now, it might be a broadcast transmitter, but what's the audio chain? What microphone? And then what's the audio chain between the microphone and the transmitter, the break?
Hello, CC. I hear Motor Mouth Mall in there, Q766. Hello, CC. Hello, Motor Mouth Mall.
Well, I guess we got a bunch of company out there. All right there, Arthur. We'll catch you later on. I'll get back on the side. I hear 27 Grizzly Bear out there. And he rattled off a bunch of big handles. So I don't think I'm in there all by myself right about here. Motor Mouth Mall, your west coast, under modulated beast. Got down.
766 Motor Mouth Mall. Here are a few brothers out there, no doubt, man. 27 New Mexico Grizzly waving.
Well, 27 New Mexico, good to hear you roll up in there, man. You've got that hammer down in fine style. Let me roll a little bit more of this up in there for you. I know I ain't got enough to get too much fire in the wire, but I'll roll you a little bit more right there, right now. 27 Grizzly, Motor Mouth Mall, stepping right there, right now, breaking.
Ain't no pain, no strain, man. No pain, no strain, Motor Mouth Mall. I tell you what, man, you got that thing ain't down.
Now, she on the routine side. I don't know what the real is going on with that right there. Let me see something. How do you know?
You know how it rolls. Hey, Motor Mouth Mall 27 got down.
Yeah, 10 for their 27. That no pain, no strain. It's working good for you. Arthur, I heard you up in there too, I did. Are you doing some hello? Hey, Arthur. Now, once you get the audio set, if you get too much modulation, it'll do this right here. There's, too much modulation right there. It's probably a little bit overmodulated. That'll also make bass roll up in there sort of distorted like. So if you turn the audio down like that right there, turn the audio down, right there, then it comes back to life. I got down.
Yeah, folks, man, I really try to deal with that's what's going on. We got a whole lot of cotton big modulation going on with it, that's for sure. But, like I said, I still got this process and work in process, either one you want to call it. Get back with you.
All right, that sounds better even. Holy cow. Hey, out of curiosity there, Arthur, what audio chain do you have between the microphone and the transmitter, the rig? What are you using? Right there. Well, Mother Nature dipping and dabbing and flipping and flopping, bucking, weaving and shucking and jiving. That's how she does. From time to time, Motor Mouth Mall, your west coast, under modulated beast. I'll put some more saturation. I get a little bit more saturation up in there. Motor Mouth Mall, stepping, they got down.
You said you might be splattering a little bit. It's just a little bit, but I tell you, man, you got loud as a bullhorn, no doubt. Motor Mouth Mall 27 got down.
10-4. I don't think I should be splattering too much. It's still pretty clean on the scope. I haven't begun to defile myself. I mean, you know what I'm talking about. But, yeah, I just added a little bit more saturation. A little bit more color to the audio of the break.
Yeah, 10-4 on that, man, no doubt. Yeah. I tell you what, man, whatever you did, man, whatever you're doing, man, it's making a difference over here. Every change you make, man, I hear it on this end, but it's like always, yeah.
Every change you make, every watt you make, I'll be dropping the hammer right there, right now. 27 Grizzly Bear, Motormouth Mall, right here, right now. I got down, breaker.
Yeah, I got 25 on this Galaxy. 25 with the audio, man. It's just goddamn bodacious, man. Whew, Lord have mercy. Like I said, man, I got 25 pounds, man. I should say 25 tons of audio. No doubt.
10-4. Yeah, it's all working pretty good. I mean, I could probably roll this up in there for you like this right here. See what this does. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What does that do to your receiver? Right there, right now. 27 Grizzly Bear, Motormouth Mall, stepping.
Hello, 766. Hello, homie the clown. You were keyed out, and homie the clown said he wanted to put 30 on me over here, and he did, no doubt. No doubt. Hey, Motormouth Mall, you know how things go on the Super Bowl, no doubt. Take care, my friend. Hey, Motormouth Mall, have a good one. Hey, homie the clown, 27 Grizzly, sounded real good, no doubt. 766 Grizzly Bear Station. I know CC's got to hear me if I'm starting to get conditions on the west side there. But no doubt, top of the evening wave out there, afternoon wave around the west side. Walked in here, it's about 107 degrees. My radio room's starting to cool off a little bit now. But yeah, nice and hot. You like coming up, 27.025 Albuquerque, New Mexico. Too hot to your trap. Now, Biggie Eva, hey, get y'all later. I'll step in.
All right, they're 27. Yeah, I know how it goes out here on 27025. I'll tell you what, it's rough and tough. You get a big strapper out there like Homie the Clown out there dropping the hammer from time to time. I got to watch out. I know how that goes, man. I know what time it is, too. Hey, 27, tell Homie the Clown I said hello. The Motormouth Mall, you West Coast beast. Walk on through.
Hey, take care, no doubt. Hey, Motormouth Mall, homie said, Happy Father's Day, man. You were waving right back at him at the same time, no doubt. Hey, homie the clown, man. He was waving right back at you, man. He was saying Happy Father's Day right back, no doubt. But anyway, man, Motormouth Mall, homie the clown waves Happy Father's Day wave. Motormouth waves it right back, no doubt. Man, I felt throwing that 25 on there with that riddle recorder, man, but I think it'll whack out on me. I might just give it a try here in a little bit, but no doubt. 27, rolled it like you guys told it. Grizzlies don't.
410 there, Grizzly Bear. Okay, sounds good. I appreciate that there for you rolling that 5 and keep it all the way alive. Ain't no doubt about that. 827 Motormouth Mall, your West Coast East. Right here, right now, I got down.
All up for the weekend.
I can hear him.
Grizzly.
Tell him to enjoy the weekend. They're big.
It's called 63, and I'll rock these killing fields out.
You heard me.
Yeah, no doubt, man. That John Deere hammer working for you, homie. I tell you what, man, it sounded real good. Take it out. But no doubt, man, we'll stand wide aside, man, let the people go. 27 Grizzly, Albuquerque, New Mexico. We'll listen to you guys. Talk show.
All right, they're 27. Take care. 7-3s. Motormouth Mall way out here on the west side. Farther out west. Try and put the hammer down out there on Homie the Clown. But I know it's a hit and miss. Ain't no pain, ain't no strain. Motormouth Mall, your West Coast. Under modulated beast. Right there, right now, I got down. Breaker.
Hey, Motormouth. 766, have a good one, man. 8766, you have a good one out there, too. Grizzly Bear Station, bye.
Waving the hand right back at you. I didn't get the 28, but I did hear you waving the hand out here on my neck of the woods. Motormouth Mall, waving and stepping to break.
Hey, have a good one, man. While you're 10-6, man, you said, tell your homie out there. You said, how do you do Father's Day way, man, no doubt. That's what you said, homie. Cal 766, you said, how do you do? I believe it. Motormouth Mall saying the same thing, no doubt. 27 Grizzly stepping. I'll be right back, man. We'll get off the way. Take care, 766. Say, homie. Eminem. CC on the west side. Are you brothers trying to get it back? You can. I know how that goes, man. I've done that all my life. 27 Grizzly. But believe me, man, just do what you gotta do. What you got.
Hey, that's more. Nah, a little bit too much modulation out there. Nah, let's work it right there. I'm getting down.
Yeah, it sounded good there, Arthur. Hey, Arthur, it sounded good right there. You're getting closer. Motormouth Mall right here, right now, breaker.
How are you doing, brother? Hey, Motormouth Mall, yeah, man.
Hello, Arthur, on the sand pile. I heard you're on the sand pile. I did the break.
I think Gainesville, son. Gainesville, Motormouth Mall.
Hey, Gainesville's son out there. I heard you, I did. You rolled up in here pretty good now, I'll tell you. Mother Nature dipping and dabbing and flipping and flopping. She's all over the place right about now, man. But I heard you roll up in here, Gainesville, Motormouth Mall, your West Coast beast. Right here, right now, I got down break.
Y'all heard that I did. Hey, Motormouth Mall, that sound a whole lot better. That sound a whole lot straighter, a whole lot better, no doubt about it. Hey, why you been out there reading the mailbox and getting down?
Yeah, hey, Arthur, check this out real fast here. I know you're talking to CC too, but here, check this out real quick here.
Hey, Motormouth Mall, that sound a whole lot better. That sound a whole lot straighter, a whole lot better, no doubt about it. Hey, why you been out there reading the mailbox and getting down?
There you go, Arthur. That sounds good. Leave it like that, man. You can squeeze a tad bit more bottom end, but not much. But it sounds good there, Brayton.
Oh, Mr. CC.
Been more out of it. Probably a little bit. Well, yeah, there it is right there. I'll squeeze a little more bottom end on it, but I don't know. I mean, it's maybe my receiver that's kind of overloaded right now. Something.
I know. No, I think you're good. Here, check this out. I'll let you hear what I got on my end here. Check this out.
Right there. I'll squeeze a little more bottom end on it, but I don't know. I mean, it's maybe my receiver that's kind of overloaded right now. Something.
I can hear the highs now. It sounds good. It's not overbearing, and it sounds clean and clear and good there, Brayton.
Okay, then. All right, I'm going to ease right. CC told me to get on the phone with you on that side, no doubt about it. Hey, CC, I'm going to get out your way. Good day. Bye, Motormouth Mall. I do thank you. Bye-bye.
All right, there, Arthur. Take care. Tell CC I said hello and happy Father's Day around his neck of the woods. Arthur, have a good day. Motormouth Mall, your West Coast beast right here. Right now, I got down. Breaker.
Bye, Motormouth Mall. Take care. I'll bump it on your hair down later. Thank you for the audio verification in the chat. Hey, hey, homie, I thank you also. Holla! Woo! Man, listen, let's go.
Hey, Arthur, and tell CC I thank him for being there right now, too. Motormouth Mall, your West Coast beast. Walked all the way through.
Where do you need to go? Put it on your later. CC, what side? How does it? I'm out.
Arthur, that thing is devastating. That thing sounds good right now. Arthur, Motormouth Mall waving and stepping. I'll see you. I'm going to get back on the side here, read this here mail for just a Scotia bit. Radio station, Motormouth Mall, your West Coast undermodulated beast. Got down right there, that's all.
Take him with you, but do not bring him back. CC, I'll see you. Bye-bye.
I or CC and backscatter.
Anyway, I'm gonna use Rag. Go let him have it, do his fun. I'm gonna use that the way I'm done. Thank ya. CC, High Desert, that's a good time gang on the west side. The booger with the sugar and the Bighorn is stepping.
Careful there, booger with the sugar. Motormouth Mall waving and stepping. I'm going to get back on the side here, read the mail for a Scotia bit. Motormouth Mall stepping. They got down. Breaker.
Yeah, big old water cool. Yeah, big old water cool. I'll see you. Bye.
766 game.
Hey, Gainesville. I know you got 766 up in your mind right about now. Bob, let's see if I can't do a little bit more for you right there, right now. Motormouth Mall stepping. I got down.
You don't want nothing to do with this water. You find out. You don't. Right back 766. You're sounding real good on this end. 766 game. You say you're sounding 766 game.
Hey, Gainesville. Hey, Gainesville, how's 766 sound with a little bit of Motormouth Mall right here, right now? Motormouth Mall, your West Coast undermodulated beast. Got down, breaker, and I'm out.